In today's video, I'm going to teach you what cash sweep is on Robinhood, why it can be useful for your finances, and how you can easily enable or disable this feature on your account. Let's begin with a look at what cash sweep actually means. If you happen to have uninvested cash sitting in your Robinhood account, basically funds that aren't currently tied up in stocks, ETFs, or options, Robinhood's cash sweep feature comes into play. What it does is automatically move or sweep that idle cash from your standard Robinhood brokerage account into special bank deposit accounts with Robinhood's network of partner banks. This transfer happens behind the scenes, so you don't have to remember to do anything manually once cash sweep is set up. Why is this important? Well, the cash you sweep becomes eligible for Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, or FDIC, insurance. That means up to a certain limit with each partner bank. Your funds have additional protection, much like they would in a traditional bank account. Normally, your brokerage cash is protected by brokerage industry rules, but FDIC insurance is a separate and widely trusted layer of safety. Now let's talk about the big benefit, earning money on your idle cash. As of late 2025, Robinhood's partner banks offer around 3.5% annual percentage yield, or APY, on swept cash as long as you qualify. This means your uninvested cash isn't just sitting there. It's actually generating interest while it's swept into these insured accounts. So even if you're waiting to make your next investment or withdrawal, your money is still working for you in the meantime. One of the best parts of cash sweep is how seamless it is. Even when your cash is swept into partner banks, you'll still see the balance right inside your Robinhood app, and you retain total access to invest or withdraw it whenever you want. The sweep doesn't lock your money away at all. It simply maximizes your idle funds while keeping them handy. If you'd like to take advantage of this feature, enabling cash sweep is a straightforward process. First, log into your Robinhood account and head over to your account section. Then navigate to investing. Once you're there, scroll until you find the cash sweep program. All you need to do is click Enable Cash Sweep and follow the prompts that come up. Robinhood will walk you through each step. From that point on, any uninvested cash will automatically be swept to partner banks according to the program's terms. If, however, you decide you don't want to use cash sweep, you can always return to the same cash sweep program section and choose Disable. Once you do that, your uninvested cash will simply stay in your brokerage account. It won't earn interest, but it remains protected under brokerage protections. And that's the ins and outs of cash sweep on Robinhood, how it works, what it offers, and how you can make the most of this useful feature for your own finances.